Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. We are here to present you the Atbas cipher, a simple yet intriguing cipher with roots in ancient history. The Atbas cipher presents a fascinating exploration into the world of cryptography. And what is Atbas cipher? First, simple substitution. Simple substitution operates by reversing the alphabet. For example, the first letter is A becomes the last letter, which is Z, and the second letter will become the second to the last letter. This method keeps the structure straightforward and avoiding complex algorithm. Next is one-to-one mapping. One-to-one mapping. Each letter is directly replaced with its opposite in the reverse sequence, ensuring a clear and predictable encryption and decryption process. Next is history and origins of the Atbas cipher. The Atbas cipher dates back to around 500 BCE, first appearing in the ancient Hebrew text. It was used in the Book of Jeremiah for encoding message and is preserved in the Dead Sea Scrolls, showcasing its lasting historical significance. Next is Atbash in the Hebrew text. Its name Atbash comes from the Hebrew letter pairs with Aleph Tab and Bet Shin, reflecting this reversal pattern. The mechanics of the Atbas cipher. First, assign a numerical value to each letter. Second, reverse the numerical order. Last, substitute letter based on the reverse position. Encoding and decoding message. First, encoding. In encoding, each letter in the original message is replaced by its opposite letter. For example, A becomes Z, B becomes Y, and so on. In decoding, the process is reversed. Each letter in the encoded message is replaced with its opposite letter to recover the original message. Next is strength and weaknesses of the Atbas cipher. First, the strength, simplicity. This cipher is easy to learn and implement as it involves reversing the alphabet. Next is weakness, limited security. It is highly vulnerable to frequency analysis, a technique where patterns in letter usage are analyzed to decrypt the message. Next is comparison to the other substitution cipher. First, Atbas cipher. It is a simplest substitution cipher involving a direct reversal of the alphabet. Next is Caesar cipher. Slightly more complex, involves shifting letters by a fixed number of places. Last, Wegener cipher. It's more advanced, uses a keyword to determine letter substitutions, adding complexity and making it harder to break.
Application of the Atbas cipher. Hidden messages. Used to conceal brief messages in text or literature. Puzzle and games. Adds an element of mystery of entertainment and recreational purposes. Historical research. Helps in understanding ancient codes and cryptographic practices. The enduring mystery of the Atbas cipher. Simplicity. The Atbas cipher is simple substitution cipher where the letters of the alphabet are reversed. And next, history. The cipher has a long history dating back to ancient times. It provides a glimpse into ancient communication methods. Cryptanalysis and breaking Atbash. Frequency analysis. Identifying common letters in the ciphertext to deduce the plain text. Simple substitution. It relies solely on reversing the alphabet, making it easy to decipher with basic knowledge. No complex keys. Lacks additional layers of encryption, leaving it vulnerable to quick decryption. Modern day uses and adaptations. Puzzle games. Used in creating enigmatic challenges and riddles for entertainment. Programming. Employed for simple obfuscation techniques to obscure code or data in applications. Why learn about Atbash? Understand history. Gain insight into the evolution of cryptography and early encryption methods. Explore code breaking. Challenge yourself with simple cryptographic techniques to develop problem solving skills. Appreciate complexity. Compare ancient ciphers like Atbash with sophistication of modern encryption system. Conclusion and further exploration. Atbas cipher emphasizing its historical significance while no longer practical for secure communications. The cipher offers educational value and serves as a reminder of the early evolution cryptography.
Atbas Cipher. Atbas cipher is a simple substitution cipher where each letter replaced by its opposite counterpart. The letter will be the plain text from A to Z, and the cipher text will be the Z to A. And the plain text is A, and the cipher text. Now let's use the plain text I love you, and to encrypt it, we need the plain text from A to Z and the cipher text from Z to A. And the letter I will be letter R, and letter L will be letter O, and continuing this process until we get the ciphertext. And the ciphertext will be ROLEVBLF. To decrypt the ciphertext, we need to find each other letter in the ciphertext and plaintext. So R will be I and O will be L. Continuing this process until we will get the plaintext. The encrypted message R O, and the decrypt word is I love you.